The true essence of life depends on how you look at it. Overcoming obstacles and challenges is what makes life meaningful for them. Others believe that happiness lies in the achievements, and they will always strive to be more successful. But who knows when will God take back the life He ensured to us? When will the story of your life end? You'll never know when. What will happen to your family if an unforeseen disaster occurs? This is where life insurance can come in. History of life insurance. An early form of life insurance dates to ancient Rome. Burial clubs covered the cost of members' funeral expenses and assisted survivors financially. The first company to offer life insurance in modern times was the Amicable Society for a Perpetual Assurance Office, founded in London in 1706 by William Talbot and Sir Thomas Allen. The Amicable Society started with 2,000 members. First table was written by Edmund Halley in 1693, but it was only in the 1750s that the necessary mathematical and statistical tools were in place for the development of the modern life insurance. James Dodson, a mathematician and actuary, tried to establish a new company aimed at correctly offsetting the risk of long-term life assurance policies after being refused admission to the Amicable Life Assurance Society because of his advantaged age. Disciple Edward Rowe Morris was able to establish the Society for Equitable Assurances on Lives and Survivor in 1762. The first modern actuary was William Morgan, who served from 1775 to 1830. Sale of life insurance in the U.S. began in the 1760s. The Presbyterian synods in Philadelphia and New York City created the Corporation for Relief of Poor and Distressed Widows and Children of Presbyterian Ministers in 1759. Now, let's take a look at what life insurance is all about. The concept of life insurance started with a simple act of passing the hat. It's similar to the custom of a buloy, which we do when a friend or loved one passes, except historically, there were times when people literally passed the hat. Even before that, struck the community. By sharing the burden, these groups were able to share the risk and do cooperatively what would be difficult to accomplish individually, hold the proper burial, and take care of the needs of the family deceased left behind. Today, this cooperative risk-sharing remains one of the foundations of life insurance. It's no wonder life insurance is commonly associated with death because these practices gave birth to its definition. Life insurance is formally defined as a legal agreement or contract where an insurance company agrees to pay a sum of money or cash benefit to the beneficiary when an event covered by the policy occurs. In other words, life insurance takes the place of the income you provide your family independence. It replaces your economic value when you're gone or you can't work anymore. It's as if you were buying a peace of mind, knowing that your family will be financially secure should anything happen to you. It is an extension of your love, making sure that they are provided for when they need it most. Life insurance is your safety blanket, helping you prepare for the unexpected, so whatever happens, you can keep on protecting your loved ones like you've always done. When purchasing a life insurance plan, the insured makes payment called premiums based on the amount of coverage he requires and the insurance company perceived risk. This perceived risk will depend on a number of factors such as age, medical and health conditions, smoking habits, hobbies, and occupation, among others. The higher the perceived risk, the more expensive the premium gets. Laws related to insurance. Presidential Decree Number 612, ordaining and instituting an Insurance Code of the Philippines. The Insurance Act, or Act Number 2427, an act of revising the insurance laws and regulating insurance business in the Philippine Islands.
What's the difference between term life insurance and whole life insurance? The simple answer is they're both type of life insurance. Life insurance can help take care of your family's finances in case you die. Life insurance can make sure that there's some money available to do things, like to send your children to college. Most of us thinking about life insurance because we don't want to think about death. Then what's the difference between term life insurance and whole life insurance? Whole life insurance stays with you, providing benefits to your loved ones the time of your death, whenever that is. Term life insurance provides benefits to your survivors during shorter time frame you choose, like 10 years or 20 years. It's like buying versus renting. With whole life, you're protecting your loved ones from your entire lifetime without risk that the price will go up. Term life, on the other hand, it's like renting because it gives you coverage for a specific number of years you needed it most. But which type of life insurance is best for me? Term life or whole life? To make it easier to explain, let's take a look at Anna and her husband Tim, who both have jobs and they have 2 kids at home, Johnny and Vanessa. If Anna and Tim die unexpectedly, they know that it will be tough in paying the family bills, the house payments, and send their kids to college. So what kind of life insurance Anna and Tim need? To figure it out, they did the math. It will be 15 years before Johnny and Vanessa until they are done with college. If one of them dies, and they want their kids to stay in their home and stay active in the same activities, they each need 15 term life insurance policy so their finances will be a little easier. But what happens if 15 years when their policies expire? This is where whole life insurance can help. Whole life covers you in your whole lifetime. Once you have it, it's there for you. It doesn't have time limit, like term life does. Because Anna and Tim still want life insurance in their later years, each of them also bought whole life insurance policy to cover the funeral cost and other personal expenses. Anna and Tim feel a lot better knowing that their deaths won't be financial burden to the family they left behind. So now you know about whole life insurance and term life insurance.
In the year 1947, C.B. Starr and Earl Carroll established Philam Life as a domestically incorporated insurer. In the year 1949, Philam Life becomes the #1 life insurance company in the Philippines in terms of premium income. In the year 1961, it is the inauguration of the Philam Life building, an infrastructural landmark. Its theater is known for its near-perfect acoustics. In the year 2000, Philam Life Tower, one of the country's tallest and most technologically advanced buildings, is inaugurated, establishing Philam Life's presence in the Makati Central Business District. In the year 2003, Philam Life receives ISO accreditation for its product development process. 2 years later, its accreditation expands to include branch servicing. In the year 2009, Philam Life joins the IAI Group, the largest independent publicly listed Pan-Asian life insurance group. In the year 2010, Philam Life partners with the Bank of the Philippine Islands to form its bank assurance arm. It is known BPI Philam Life Assurance Corporation. In the year 2012, Philam Life celebrates 65 years of empowering Filipinos achieve financial security and prosperity. In the year 2013, Philam Life moves its headquarters to Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Lastly, in the year 2015, Philam Life launches Philam Vitality, a science-backed wellness program that rewards members for being healthy.
The Philippine American and General Life Insurance Company, or also known by its trade name Philam Life, is an insurance company based in the Philippines. It is currently the largest life insurance company in the Philippines in terms of assets, net worth, investment, and paid-up capital. Philam Life has 226.4 billion pesos in total assets as of December 31, 2015, and had delivered timely payouts of over 10 billion in education benefits from 2004 up to 2015, and over 131 billion in insurance benefits from 1950 to 2015, while serving close to 600,000 individual policyholders and over 2 million insured group members. Vision of Philam Life is we are undisputed leader in the life insurance and wealth management. The mission of Philam Life is a Philam Life policy for every Filipino family. We empower Filipinos achieve financial security and prosperity. The motto of Philam Life is the power of we. Philam Life Company has over 72 branches in the Philippines, around Metro Manila, North Luzon, Central Luzon, South Luzon, Visayas, and even in Mindanao. The following are some of the awards of Philam Life.
Asian Management Award for strong performance in general and financial management. Presidential citation from the Philippine government for contribution to nationwide. Award from Overseas Filipino Workers Welfare Administration for outstanding program for overseas Filipino workers. 10 Professional Educational Awards from the Life Office Management Association for outstanding employee development programs. Top 1,000 corporations in the Philippines. Top investment houses in Asian local currency bonds in the Philippines by the Asset Management. 12 Platinum Trusted Brand Awards from Reader's Digest Asia.
The products and services of Philam Life.
What are the various product offerings of Philam? Protection. Family Secure. A high-value life insurance plan that can be converted into retirement plan. Family Provider. A life protection plan that won't take a lifetime to pay for. Health. Health Invest. A health and life insurance plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. Education. Bright Future Invest. An education and life insurance plan that helps you send your child to his dream university. Savings. Money Works. A savings and life insurance plan that makes your money work harder to help you achieve your dreams faster. Investment. Money Tree. A one-pay investment and life insurance plan that can earn more than bank deposits over the long term. Why Philam Life? Because Philam Life offers excellent protection for you and your family against the possibility of financial loss caused by life-threatening emergencies. Because Philam Life provides the right solution and right plans to turn struggles into success, fears into peace of mind, and dreams into reality. What makes Philam Life stand out in this industry? Philam Life is the most recalled, most considered, and most preferred brand in the industry among Filipinos. Philam Life also have the strongest ratings in the top 3 important factors in choosing a life insurance company. It includes trustworthiness, financial stability, and accessibility.
Insurance is a large investment. It is essential that you know what each type of insurance covers and how it works so you can make the best decision about what to buy. Do not base your decision on just what is cheapest, but look at what it provides. Take time to find the right insurance for your situation. People often say they cannot afford insurance, but the truth is that it can save them from thousands or more of money in unplanned expenses when an unexpected situation arises. You do not want to waste your money on policies that they do not meet your needs, but the right insurance policy can protect you and your family from unforeseen disasters.